In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox error code 403. So we have several steps to address and hopefully resolves the Roblox error code 403, allowing you to play Roblox on your computer. There are various reasons why you might encounter this error, with one possibility being hardware ban from Roblox. So, to resolve this, follow these steps. Step 1. Hit the Windows Start button and locate the Roblox app. Once the Roblox app loads, you need to log out of the banned account. To do this, move your cursor to the 3 dots icon and click on it. From there, select Log Out option. Step 2. After logging out, simply log in with a different account, typically referred to as an alternative account. This should no longer trigger the error. Step 3. If you're still experiencing the error, consider uninstalling the app. To do this, click the Start button, find Roblox, right-click on it, and choose Uninstall. If this doesn't work, proceed with the following steps. Step 4. Continue the uninstallation process for Roblox. Then, return to your preferred web browser and log in to your Roblox account, making sure to use the previously banned account. Play a game within your browser. When you attempt to open a game, it will check if Roblox is uninstalled on your computer. Since it's not, you have the option to download or install Roblox. Click Save to the Save Roblox launcher to your computer, then open it to begin the installation process. Once installation is complete, select OK. Step 5. Go back to the Roblox website and try to open another game. And we'll start Roblox again. At this time, the error code 403 should be resolved. Step 6. If the issue persists, it may be related to your internet network. If you are connected to a VPN, you have to disconnect from it. Additionally, if you are using a desktop computer with Wi-Fi capabilities, click the Windows Start button. You have to right-click it and search for network connections. Run the network, ensuring it's set to diagnose all network adapters. Follow the troubleshooter's instructions, and once it's done, close the Windows settings. Try opening Roblox again, and the error code 403 should no longer be an issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.